Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So before I move on with this video explaining Google Cloud, I would like to thank two second year students who has helped me create these slides. Uh, Both of them are uh, Nafis, Adnand Mandal and Rishabh Durgar. They really put in a lot of effort last night to help create these slides. So I appreciate them for helping me with the slides. So now moving on with the Google Cloud. What is cloud? So cloud is a collection of interconnected databases and servers kept all around the world. You may or may not have heard the word cloud. Cloud is actually just servers and databases. It's just machines. Nothing much more complicated. And the cloud can be accessed from anywhere around the world, provided you have an internet connection. So cloud is a model of computing where servers, networks, storage, and development tools, and even apps are enabled through the internet. Cloud provides the resources, and you can build your applications, your websites, or your tools, whatever you want uh, in the cloud. So, why do we need cloud? It is cost effective. You don't need to buy your own servers, rent a room, hire IT professionals to maintain your servers and all that. You just need to go for a cloud service provider and pay whatever you use and how much you use. So that's why it is cost effective and file accessibility. So yeah, in case if you have a on-premise data center or on-premise data servers, it can go down because of electricity issue or because you aren't able to pay rent or some kind of hacks or whatnot. So if you go for a cloud service provider, they are responsible for the cloud servers to run 24/7, like Google Cloud. They are responsible for managing all the infrastructure and resources. You don't have to worry about that. It is secure. They hire the most expert cybersecurity people in the market right now to ensure that there is no breach in data, no breach in security. You don't have to worry about security at all. You just need to focus on what's important to your business. That is making valuable services and products to acquire more money and customers. It helps in collaboration because cloud can be accessed from anywhere in the world. You can have remote workers, pro which in turn saves money in renting an office, giving other benefits, and paying rent or whatnot. Even uh, cultural diversity enables you to create better products. You can also uh, acquire new customers in different regions because of cloud. So knowing or unknowingly, we use cloud every day. From Instagram to our G Suite accounts, everything runs on the cloud. Cloud enables us to access the same files from almost any device, regardless if you have a Windows laptop or a Mac laptop. You can, if you access google.com, if you access your email, it will be the same emails. And anywhere in the world, whether you access it from India, whether you access it from US, it will be the same thing. Yeah, if your phone breaks, yeah, and you fix it, you will get the same photos in your Instagram account, regardless of you fix it after 10 years or not. And it works the same way with cloud email providers like Gmail, Microsoft Office, with cloud storage providers like Dropbox. Everything runs on cloud. For business, switching to cloud computing removes some IT cost and overhead. Like I told before, you don't have to worry about maintaining your own servers, updating them, and whatnot. Uh, the cloud also makes it easier for companies to operate internationally because customers and employees can access the same files from anywhere over the world. Like in our college, if you No, every department must have their own servers, and to access the files in those servers, you have to connect to the departmental Wi-Fi, and you can't access it from your normal Wi-Fi at your home. So that is something which cloud enables us. You can access it from anywhere around the world. Now let us talk about the history and evolution of the cloud. What was before the cloud? Before cloud, if a company wanted to build their own website or database or apps, they have to purchase their own servers, maintain them, manage them, and these servers can be very expensive. And for most people and small companies, it was not feasible. But now we can now because of cloud, work from home is possible. This concept didn't existed before the emergence of cloud. File sharing and collaborative software run on the cloud, and also like because of cloud, market of freelancers and remote workers has been possible. Even this presentation, which was created on Google Slides, rely on the cloud. Now let us talk about the evolution of cloud hosting. First, there were dedicated servers, one physical machine to run a single business. It was very expensive, high maintenance, high security was needed. High security was also a must. Virtual private servers, one physical machine dedicated to a single business. Uh, the physical machine is virtualized so that it can give a feeling of multiple machines by which you can run multiple web apps or websites. Like Google only have different products, right? So they need to be separated. They can't have the resources that they use uh, cannot be the same. It will create some problems if they access the same resources like YouTube and Google, YouTube and Spotify. Suppose, for example, those have their own databases. They can't mix match with each other, so they need to be separated. So virtualization helps them. It's a different concept. You have to go deep into that. I won't tell much about it. So next comes shared hosting. Shared hosting examples are Heroku and GoDaddy, which were very popular just a few years back. Even now it is. It's just one machine and which is shared by hundreds of businesses. It relies on most tenants underusing their resources. You can't scale or you can't use on demand based off your traffic. Like you're if you just create a new blog site, you're probably getting one or two viewers in your website, and some other guy who has 10 years of experience in building his blog site, he get thousands of viewers. Both of them have to pay the same thing because they don't scale on the basis of your uh, of the viewers you get or the traffic you get. But now, because of cloud hosting, multiple machines acts as one system. The system is abstracted into multiple cloud service. There are many tools and services that you will get to enable you to build your applications and apps. And specialty of cloud is that it is flexible, scalable, cost effective, and highly configurable. You need you pay as much as your traffic gets, as much as you use. If you are underutilizing your resources, you have to pay less. You're getting high traffic, you have to pay more. So it's more cost effective in this way. So now let us understand what is the importance of cloud in today's market. Like I am telling so much cloud, cloud, cloud. If it was not important, I wouldn't have even discussed, and this video wouldn't have even uh, existed or published by me. So let us understand the importance of cloud and why is it important for us to learn it. So cloud makes it possible for business to experiment, fail, and learn much faster than ever before with low risk exposure. Earlier, because of that we have mentioned in previous slides, because of on-premise data centers and servers, we had to use so much of capital to start our business. But now, because of cloud, we pay as much as you use. We can risk failing. We can risk uh, creating and exploring regardless of the capital, which is very less that you will use, because yeah, we don't need millions and thousands of dollars to just buy a data center to start our product or service. So business today have greater freedom to change course than to live with the consequences of expensive decisions taken in the past. And to remain competitive in the market, business need to respond quickly to market is constantly changing. They need to respond, and how can they respond? By using analytics from real-time data to improve their product. So whatever job you might take in the future, you have to use cloud in some way or another. Either you join a tech company, like big tech companies like Fang, uh, or any small companies, they probably are using cloud in some way or another, and you have to use it also while you join as a software engineer or something else related to tech. And according to IBM Institute of Business Value Study, more than three quarters of enterprises today are using cloud computing to expand into new territories. So only like three quarters, like one fourth of them are still not using cloud because they are probably government enterprises. They have very highly sensitive data and top secret information. They need to keep it on their on-premise data centers. They can't put it on public cloud. Or they could be old companies which have invested heavily on their servers, and now they can't it doesn't make sense for them to shift entirely on the cloud because they have already invested so much. So one fourth of them are not in the cloud. Though even though they have invested heavily, they know the importance of cloud, so they are moving to hybrid model, like half on premise, half on cloud. And the International Data Corporation IDC predicts that by 2025, all total amount of digital data created worldwide will be 163 zettabytes, where 1 zettabyte is equivalent to 3 trillion gigabytes. And 30% of this data will be real-time information, like uh, like airplane going at this altitude, this speed, train moving at this speed, and distance from arrival and departure. This arrival and departure is this much. So these are all real-time data that is changing constantly. So this will be 30% of the data. So emerging technologies accelerated by cloud. One is Internet of Things, and another one is machine learning or AI. The Internet of Things or IoT is a giant network of connected things and people that have changed and things and people and that have changed how much we live our lives today. From the way we drive, the how and to how we make purchases, monitoring our personal health, and how we get energy for our homes. Everything is connected over the internet. Uh, every every devices you use, uh, every products that you use are all relying sending information to over the internet to the clouds, and it is enabling us to achieve Internet of Things. Smart devices sensors are continuously tracking and collecting information. For example, smart building could have thousands of sensors measuring all kinds of data related to thermal, optical, structural, environmental stimuli. These data are information. This is the era of information. Information and data will give you the power to compete in this today's market and improve your products and services to to go to the next level. And data collected through these IoT devices are stored on the cloud. And IoT platforms running entirely on the cloud through the interfaces used by customers. Everything is on the cloud. All the software that enables and promotes this IoT, achieving IoT, is all in cloud. Even the backend analytics to perform uh, the anal the analytics on the data that we've collected through the sensors and smart devices are also on the cloud. Artificial intelligence. So you must have heard this because it's been popular recently among all new tech enthusiasts. Making sense of endless streams of data is where artificial intelligence or AI comes in. Many of the applications where we apply AI today simply wouldn't have been possible without the scalable on-demand computing offered by the cloud. As I've told before, data is key here, and AI enables us to make use of the data to predict something useful and to gain insights, to gain uh, the direction where we should uh, use that data to improve our product or services. So what we see is a symbiotic relation between IoT, AI, and the cloud. IoT delivers the data, AI powers the insights, and both these emerging technologies leverage the cloud scalability and processing power to provide value to individuals and business alike. So these all three technologies or areas of study or computing, IoT, AI, and cloud are working together to change, to make evolution, to make uh, new, to promote new business in today's tech world. So it is very important for you to learn cloud, and this campaign is a very great way to learn cloud. It is like you are using Google Cloud, which is Google is one of the top companies in this world, while also learning it for free. This if you were not part of this campaign, you would have uh, needed to pay for doing this entire campaign, doing those labs that I would talk about in a couple of minutes. So if you are a tech enthusiast and if you are interested in to know more what cloud is about, and if you haven't uh, worked with cloud applications or cloud computing before, uh, so this is a great opportunity, so don't miss this. So now I'll be explaining what are the steps you need to do to register yourself for this campaign. So the full name of this campaign is Google Cloud Career Practitioner Campaign, and the steps which I'm going to tell you is only for IST students because this campaign is organized by GDSC IST, so it's only for IST students. Unfortunately, if you're from different college and are part of our uh, uh, club, then sorry, we can't let you in on this campaign this time because Google has specifically said it is for our campus students only. And so, what is this Google Cloud Career Practitioner Pathway campaign? Anyway, so this campaign will provide students an opportunity to kickstart learning on cloud technology and implement the learning by building projects on Google Cloud Console. Along the way, you will learn and practice concepts like computing, application development using cloud. And if you get stuck, you will have your facilitator, that is me, who is specially trained on Google Cloud to help you. I'm not that much trained, but I'll make sure to help you in some way or another. So if you can get more information on how you can contact me, like my email, my number here. So this is the steps you need to do to register yourself for the campaign. First, watch this video. This video that you're watching is what you will get here. This is an unlisted video, so only through the link you can get access to this video. So make sure to watch this video completely so that you know the full picture, you know what you are signing up for, and you know what to do and what not to do. So you don't mess up and you uh, don't get like accepted to the campaign. That should not happen. So watch this carefully and properly. Take your time. You have until tomorrow, like 7th November, 10 p.m. Uh, Now is 6th November. So first step is watching the video, then filling up the unofficial form that is created by me, then filling up the official form that is given by Google. And if you have any other queries before, even after watching this video and all the information that I have given in this note, or yeah, in this note, then you can check out this link that is provided by Google. These are some common or frequently asked questions. Let's move this common frequently asked questions that you can check out. If you have any query, if you have any other queries than these questions, then you can also come and approach me. I'll help you with it. So let's after watching this video, let's move on to the filling up the official form section. So this is the link to the form. I have created this form so that I can validate that you're a student of IST. because I cannot give this official form link and the referral code that is important to verify that you're a student of IST and also to register for the campaign. I cannot give it to anyone outside of IST. Even if you are a students, are a IST student and get this official form link and referral code, do not give it to any other student who is not from IST. Do not give it to any other student for that matter, even if he's from IST. I will make sure whoever fill this unofficial form gets the referral code and the official form link. So you just need to make sure that you fill up the official form and register yourself. Don't need to worry about others. I will take care of others. So if you're interested in this campaign, fill up the unofficial form, and I will send you the official form and the referral code, which you have to fill properly, and only first 100 people who will submit the form will be accepted into the program. 101th person won't get accepted into the program. This is very strictly followed by Google, so you have to be fast, like, but provided don't make any mistakes while filling the form. If you make mistake, any wrong information submitted in the official form will lead to rejection of that participant entry to the campaign. So fill the form carefully, and leaking the official form or referral code is prohibited, and doing so may lead to strict action being taken against them. So don't leak the official form and referral code. I will make sure everyone who is interested and fills this unofficial form and are a student of legitimate student of ISD will get the necessary form and referral code. The last date and time to fill the official form is Monday, 7th November 2022, 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you fill the form of official form after 10 p.m. 7th November, you won't be accepted into the program. This is strictly followed by Google, so make sure you don't miss this deadline. And campaign will start from 14th November until 14th December. So make sure you will be able to give enough time during this time period so that you can finish up the labs and learn something from this campaign, and not waste your time and not waste the seat also, which are only limited to 100. So if you cannot give time to this campaign, no need to fill the form. Go through the facilitators video, this video, complete the entire video so you can understand what the process is, and you don't make any mistakes. So, and please try to fill the form within today so you can have enough time to fill the official form, and I have enough time to send you the official form and referral code. If you fill the unofficial form late, I will give you the official form and referral code late, and it will take more time for you to, and you will fill up more time for you to fill up the official form, so you might miss the deadline. So, and if you have any other queries, you can contact me. My name is Neeraj Pratap Hazarika, and this is my contact number, WhatsApp number. You can contact me on WhatsApp. So now moving on to filling up the official form. This is very important. You don't make sure you don't miss. Do not give any wrong information here. Any wrong information will lead to your rejection. You will receive the official form in your G Suite ID. Check your spam, trash, inbox. I will be sending it, and read through the instruction given in the official form. There will be many instructions, so read it carefully. Some of the important instruction that I found, I have listed here. Choose the institute, right institute name, IST Indian Institute, like IST Shipboard, the full name. Provide a new skill boost account created after November 3rd. So any previous skill boost or any previous Google Cloud labs, quick labs, whatever you did, don't use the same account, don't use the same mail. Create a fresh new Google Gmail, fresh new skill boost account. It is important. If you give a previous account and email, they won't be able to track, and you won't be able to complete the labs. You won't be able to you won't be a part of this campaign. You won't get the free credits. Provide the correct email address linked to the new Gmail skill boost account in the form. and submitted data will go through system validation, and anything that doesn't fall in the above criteria will automatically be rejected by the system. And last day to submit the form is November 7th, 10 p.m. IST. Make sure you don't miss the deadline. So the first step when you open the form will be to use your newly created Gmail account, which is linked to your new skill boost account, everything new, fresh, and enter that email address again as shown below. Like here, you have opened the form with your new Gmail account and also writing the email here in the email section. Step 2, read and accept all the terms and conditions. Go skim through it once and accept. Uh, Click on the accept per section and go to the next step. Like now in this section I will give you the referral link, referral code. It is specific to our campus. If you use any other campus referral code, it could lead to your rejection. So make sure you have the right campus institute name and right referral code, and fill all the necessary information according to your uh, criteria. So then enter your email address that is linked to your new skillboost account again here. I'm using a fresh Gmail account everywhere, so it is consistent. Even I recommend you to make a fresh Gmail account. It is a must actually, otherwise you won't get the uh, points that you need for completing the labs, free points. And just click on I verify and move on to the next step. The step 6 is to follow the instruction in the form, and you will the instruction will tell you how you can make your skillboost account profile public, and after making the profile public you can copy the profile URL and paste it over here, and click on I acknowledge, yes I agree, and this will be the completion of the form. After you complete the form, you have to just wait until 14th November and you will get the access codes. I will give further updates on what to do next. So until then, wait until 14 November. Check your this new Gmail account that you created that is connected to your skill boost. You will find the referral code over there. I'll make another session or video on what to do next later. I have a session with the Google team on 10th November. They will give me further updates. So after that, I will give you, I'll forward the updates with everyone who will be a part of this campaign. All the slides that I have created and this note that I have done, that I've made, will be shared along with the video. So you can refer to them if you want. You can contact me if you have any other further queries. And please make sure to follow the steps and information that has been given to you. Do not make any mistakes while filling the form. That's it. I hope you join the campaign. Keep learning. Bye.